Hi, good morning, my folks. My name is Navy. I'm going to show you how to download VS Code Studio, the editor of everyone's choice in 2025. So let's follow the steps. Enough for talking. You can search for your favorite browser. For me, I'll go with Chrome. Once Chrome is open, on the URL you can just say VS Code, or you can go in the search bar there. Once VS Code open, click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, as usual there's a download for Windows, but I'm going to click on this one on the header. So once I click on the download button on the header, you can choose whichever type of system you need. So there's Windows, there is Linux, and there is Mac. For me, I'm going to choose Windows since I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to click on Windows. It's going to open a new file and a new page, which is on document type. Once it loads, a pop-up of download will start. For me, I'm using a free download manager. I'll put a link in the description for the free download manager so that you guys can download. So once you download, your Visual Studio will start. Your VS Code Studio will start. So you can go through the documentations. If you want to read more further now about VS Code X, on the installation, on the downloads, on the troubleshooting, and all stuff. If you want to learn about some programming language, the extensions, so you can download extensions for Python. So it's a very nice, very versatile text editor. So our VS Code is done. Once it's done, I'm going to walk you the steps to install. You open your File Explorer, you can click Windows E. Your File Explorer will open, go on Downloads, then you find VS Code, just double click or do open, or you can do select, open, whatever method you can use. You can click on it, press enter, it's up to you. You accept the agreements, then leave it as default as it is. If you want, you can click on create shortcut desktop icon. So once you install it, it's going to create the icon, shortcut icon on your desktop. You click next. You click next. Once you click install there, now it's going to install. For me, it's already installed, so do the steps. It's easy as that. So for me, I'm not going to install because it's already installed. Then you can go. If it's on a desktop, you can double click, or you can just press Windows. You search for Visual. Once it pops up, you bring the Visual Studio up code. So this is just, once it opens for the first time, it will open pop-up like this. Though it is the way it looks right now. You have a walk-up screen where you have your VS Code, your edit involved. So we have a start section for you on the recent. It might show blank or none because there's no project created at the moment. But you have a new file, you have open file, you have open folder, Chrome Git repository. You can do a new workspace for Copilot if you want to use AI to the code. But for me, we're going to open a new folder. Once you open a new folder, we go on the desktop. Let's create a new folder. Let's call it first purge. You can call it that. Once you click on it, open it. Let's open a folder. Open folder on the desktop. On the folder we have created, select the folder. It will open. Once it opens, you see on the Explorer side you have the folder, but there are no files in it, because if I go on the desktop, the one I've created right now, there are no files in there. It's empty folder. So we can create different things. Let's go on VS Code. The next thing we need, the first designing you can have, or the first designing markup language you can get, you can use HTML for now. So if you go on extensions, you will need one more file or one more extension. Let's search for Lifesaver. Once Lifesaver pops up, you can select Lifesaver Go 5, or you can select Lifesaver the normal one. So you can install the two if you want. You can double shift on there, but any will work. Once you install it, you go. Let's create a file. This time we're going to call it index.html. Once you install it, you can create the HTML structure as usual. Doctype. You can say doctype HTML. You come there, but that's a waste of time. This is 2025, guys. A lot of AI involved, and this is 2025. A lot of workflow and speed is needed. We are programmers, man. We are programmers. We are not learners. This is not a beginner friend, but this is how to install VS Code so that it can work on your system. Press Shift and the number 1 there. You select that exclamation mark. If you are not, you have a structure for HTML. So if I save, and if I go there down on my footer, if I click go, it even shows me the port numbers open. So so it will even pop up the screen of my file. So if I would add a paragraph in here, you add hello wow, there you go, you have your first hello wow in HTML. Woo, we lucky, man. So that's it. That's how you install VS Code, and you also install Lifesaver to display your HTML. On the next video, we're gonna create an header for the HTML series. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Navy. Welcome to Target. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Psalms 23. Even though I walk through the valley shadow of death, I shall fear no evil.